Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and in this left section let's scroll down to find security and privacy. Now we have to scroll down again and tap on install unknown apps. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. And of course, you can change it very quickly. Simply find the app and tap on the switcher. You can also turn it off in the same way, but be aware with activating particular app because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developers, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So really remember about that and choose the apps wisely. As I said, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the switcher again. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.